For our leaf cookie, we are going to be doing multiple colors on here. You just want to be random with these patterns. My three main colors are going to be this pumpkin color, red, and this yellowy color. And then I'm going to come back through and add a little bit of green. Also can add some brown or light brown. So I'm going to start with this color here. And I'm just going to flood a section of the cookie. Now I don't have any rhyme or reason with this, so you can be as random or as precise as you want. No right or wrong way. Okay, so I'll just come in with my scraper, kind of pull these little points up. So there's my first color, and then I can come through with my red color here. Get out of my way, and I will come up here, come back through and flood. And it's okay if they blend together because you're actually gonna come through with the scraper tool or toothpick and do a little bit of feathering. Okay, just like before. Okay, next color. Okay. I'm going to come through with a little bit of green, and I'm going to be pretty random with the green. So I'm just taking, again, a little bit off, and I'm just going to kind of be random with my green. And then I can come through and start blending this. So I can kind of come up and really start kind of blending these colors together. Get some of that green in there. And you want to be careful, don't mix it too much because you'll get a really ugly color if you mix too much. So just mix until you're happy with it. And then you can come through with a darker brown if you want, and you could add a little bit of brown kind of veining. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you can just kind of blend those in a little bit. And then you can also come through, if you would like, and add brown here if you want this to be a little bit of a stem. And I would even, just to soften up that line, kind of bring it through, just like so. All right, and that's our leaf.